How do day 2 of the internet thingy. Right, anyway, I'm going to tidy up first because what we were doing yesterday, I was building a box yesterday and it started raining. But I've managed to get it finished anyway, so yeah, look at state. There's crap everywhere. I'm not going to show you on top of that because that's my box. Oh, it's a right mess. So I'm going to clean this up first and then we'll fire into it. Right, this is what I've come up with. Right, the stand that the the Wi-Fi router, the bloody router, isn't it? Yeah, I've had to put some Sigaflex at the back because the actual clips and everything for the feet, for the foot, are crap. They really are. Anyway, it's okay now, it's done. Right, so, and I've also put some holes, peekaboo, for the cables. So the cable's going to run it back into, yeah, well, you know what I mean, don't you? As you may or may not already know, that's the problem, you see. Got all them there, so I needed to box this in not to damage that. I decided to go all the way along here and have the router there. These are the two aerials from inside the cupboard. This is the power one. Right, and they're going to obviously run through inside the box. Right, I think the hardest bit is going to be getting. Well, that wants to go. Oh, great. Oh, fantastic. Damn holes aren't big enough for wires. Cock up. Oh, it's some of me, isn't there? Jesus Christ. Yeah, the holes for the wires aren't big enough. Right, so I'm going to do them, obviously. Oh. Right, I made holes bigger. And if they don't go through this, then I'm goosed because I haven't got any bigger drill. Drill. And that's only just gone through. That's the power one. Right, so if you pull this like that. Nearly knocked you over then, didn't I? Oh, get in! What are you playing at for? Right. Okay, so we're trying to get the cables inside that channel. Well, same channel, inter-channel as a pillar. But I do have some supports at back. Right, and that. Come on. There. So, them wires there are covered up. It doesn't need. Oh, hang on. Oh, hang on. Something's stopping it there. Was, you know, sorry, but stuff like that really bugs, and I don't know what it is, what it can be, because it's that perfect. Anyway, that's it anyway. Yeah. Right, there it is. Perfect. Right, all wires are in. So let's power it up and see what happens. Right, let's point out, this is a 5G router from EE, not from 3. Right, got full signal, 4 bars. Just waiting for the Wi-Fi to come up. Oops a daisy. Took you away then, didn't I? There we are. Right. Moments of truth. Let's do some speed testing. Connected. Right. So then here we go. Let's Now, don't forget, like I say, this is with the bloody hellfire EE. Ready? Here we go. Look at that. Oh, with the aerial on as well. Hang on a minute. For some reason I've got KBs, but it's fast. Right, so let's just see what it is. Megabits. Right. Retest. No, I didn't want to do that. Settings. KBs. Units. There. Scale 500s or something. In fact, with a scale of 100. No, 100. Right. So, test. Right, retest. This is megabits, megabytes. .6. And the upload, this is more like it. With the other one, you get better upload than you did download. And it's a download you need, isn't it? There. Network speed exceeds 91%. So, there you have it. EE. I've been told, well, not told, but advised for years to go with EE. And anyway, I've done it. It is rather expensive. When they upgraded me 3, blimey, I've gone out to 2 bloody dots and now up to 4. Anyway, yeah, when they when I went into the 3 shop in Southport, they upgraded me to that 4G. Anyway, when I went to 3, I managed to get that for 14 quid a month. Seriously, 14 quid. That for unlimited data and the router. Why? Why were it 14 quid? Why are they trying to get so many people on board? Tell you why, because there's no fucking signals. There's no. Anyway, so I've given it to my daughter. My daughter's in the middle of a council estate. And she's alright with it. I said to Sandra, I said, oh, we'll pay for that for her. So she's saving something in it. So something's good's come out of it in a sense. My daughter's got free Wi-Fi. Anyway, but regarding this is 40 quid a month. And that's for only 200 megabytes, gigabyte, whatever it is. It's not unlimited. Unlimited were 55 quid. But you can understand why, can't you? Because they've more coverage. Go to that John and Mandy's channel. John and Mandy on Tour, I think it's called. Just have a look. I'll put a link in the description if I can remember to do it. And just check out what he says about, you know, I mean, they live in the van lifers. And at the moment, they're doing 89 countries in 9 months, something like that. Anyway, there is somewhere cold at the moment. But what I'm saying is, 3's crap. Don't get 3. I was screaming shouting it from rooftops, weren't I, last time? 3's brilliant. What a lot of bullshit. The biggest test with this and the aerial will be the stationing at Ribblhead. Nobody gets anything round there, no one except for pub, and that's only because it comes through the BT line. That's it. Right, anyway, so, right, we're all sorted now. I'm well chuffed for that. 40 odd megabytes, whatever you call it. Right, okay. Love you, leave you. Stay safe, because it's still out there.